Hello everyone, Jim Addison from CESA 3 here. I'm excited to invite you all to a 2-day introductory workshop on thinkSRSD. SRSD, or Self-Regulated Strategy Development, is an approach that's rooted in a growing body of research that have demonstrated some of the largest effect sizes of any writing approach. Come see how this framework is not just one more thing, but a way to elevate and integrate the texts and curriculum that are already in place at your district. Come see how this approach improves the quality of student writing across genres, how it supports a stronger integration between reading and writing, and come see how there are practical classroom-ready tools ready to empower you and your students. So join us on January 30th, where we'll learn the first few lessons of thinkSRSD, give you time to implement those strategies with your students, and come back on April 13th to learn the remaining few lessons. I can't wait to see you there.